Hey guys, so if you're looking to purchase some audio interface for your computer, this is definitely a great thing. U-Phoria UMC22 from Behringer, and I personally use it to record all of my videos on a computer. Right now I'm recording on a phone. It is a perfect fit if you want to use the XLR microphone, right, which you cannot natively plug into your computer or laptop or camera, so it does goes here. And then from other side, there is a plug for the USB, which is included in the packaging of the interface itself, where one end goes here, the second end goes into USB of your computer. And that's basically the only thing that you need to power it up. It will do the powering, and it will also connect to your computer, which will recognize the XLR microphone you have connected here, just like a regular microphone on your computer. There is also an option to regulate the gain, and on the second channel as well, you can also use the headphones if you want to listen the output of this device, so listen how you actually sound, and there are LED lights that will show you the signal and if you are actually clipping. So overall, it is amazing product. Super works great with my personal microphone that I use, the XLR one, and the audio quality is just amazing.